So it's a Canadian partially owned gin that is making an American style version of a British thing, which is gin. So it's, yeah, kind of interesting here. Let us expand our appreciation for all of our favorite beverages through the stories and places that bring them to life. Welcome to Cork and Java. Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com. I'm Billy and this is Bryn. And we are continuing our series today on celebrity branded liquors. Yeah. We're coming back with another gin. It's one that Ryan Reynolds owns. And yeah, it's got a lot of very high ratings. And so we definitely wanted to pick it up to try. We're going to try it straight up for you, but definitely stick around to the end because we're going to be testing this out in a cocktail that we're coming up with, so you're not going to want to miss that. And so, yeah, let's talk about this gin.
All right.
So, as you know, Ryan Reynolds, he's a great actor, and he bought, what's that football team out in
football. Wow, you sounded so European when you said that, or non-American, I should say, because I know the rest of the world says football too, but soccer,
as
we say in America.
They play it on the pitch.
The Wrexham
out of Wales.
Yes.
So yeah, he's the owner of that, along with
Rob McElhenney.
Yep, from what's that show?
It's Always Sunny.
It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Great show. Anyway, so this gin is Ryan Reynolds owned. Canadian, doing gin.
Co-owned, I think.
Co-owned. He's a part owner. He's on the board somehow.
Investor owner.
I think the story behind it is he was shooting a movie or something somewhere and was at some bar getting a Negroni cocktail, which is made with gin. And he was like, this is the best Negroni I've ever had. And so he kept going back and he's like, what gin are you guys using in it? They're like, we're using this Aviation gin. It's one of the top rated gins. And so he found the owners. It's a pretty small business, and he worked his way into part ownership of it. So that's kind of how he got into that. So it's a Canadian partially owned gin that is making an American style version of a British thing, which is gin. So it's, yeah, kind of interesting here. So yeah, let's give this a little sniffy sniff here.
Okay.
That is the classic pine.
That smells really good.
I'm getting some like lavender.
That smells like Christmas in a glass. So good.
This is some of the best nose gin on the nose that I've had.
Let's drink it.
Let's try it. Super smooth.
Wow. Oh, wow.
It's got a lot of complexity. I can tell they really have dialed in all the infusion of flavors that go into the gin. And the gin making process is a little different than a lot of other alcohols because they add flavoring during like the fermentation process, which is adding, that pine and everything to the flavors of the distilled product, which is really, really cool. And what makes gin unique from a lot of other liquors out there. But yeah, overall, this is probably the best gin I've ever had.
Yeah, same. And we've both had quite a few gins before. Most of the stuff that we drink is, not as expensive. This wasn't unreasonable. I don't remember how much it was, but I want to say it was like in the $20 range. Most of the stuff we drink is like a little bit cheaper than that, but this is by far the best gin that I've had. When we talk about like wine having complex flavors, this is the same thing for this liquor. Like, it tastes different from the moment you put it in to the moment you swallow it. It's smooth. Oh, this is good.
It's smooth, yeah. All right, so are you guys ready for us to make a surprise cocktail? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so let's start out with some gin.
Okay.
And this cocktail is a gin version of a Shirley Temple. Super easy. You got your gin here. We got a little bit of grenadine and we got some Sprite. We're gonna hit it with some Sprite.
Okay.
And then to really sweeten it up, grenadine. This is a new bottle here.
All right. only the freshest of ingredients here.
Fresh grenadine right from the teat.
Oh, that's a lot. Gonna make it real sweet. Probably better with ice too, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's all right. All right. Ooh, that's lovely.
Yeah.
Mm.
Very nice.
Yeah. You're still getting all those aromas and flavors coming through from the gin, which is awesome. And then you get, of course, the sweetness of that grenadine and the lemon lime from the Sprite. It's just wonderful.
Yep.
Mm.
Very good. I also want to make
Tom Collins.
a Tom Collins with this. Yeah.
Yeah, classic gin cocktail.
Yeah.
Let us know down in the comments what your favorite gin cocktail is, and maybe we'll make it on the channel.
Yeah. I know. I did a gin fizz cocktail video long ago. I think I had a
gin
series.
fizz. We did do a gin fizz. Yeah.
I had a series where I think I was trying to make different drinks that I'd heard people like, I want a smash or a fizz or whatever, and so I tried to make those. So I'll have to go back and try and duplicate that again too, because this is really good.
Yeah,
really
this
good
is great.
gin. This is not gonna last too long, I don't think. It's delish. Yep. So yeah, maybe, Ryan Reynolds did have a good idea of what he was when he had that Negroni in the bar and was like, okay, I gotta get on. Yeah, maybe he knew what he was doing with that. I don't think this one is overhyped by any means just because he's endorsing it. I think this is living up to its delicious reputation.
Yeah, and I think his story is probably a little different than how most celebrities get into the
That's true.
liquor industry. I think a lot of celebrities are kind of either they're being reached out to from people trying to get them to endorse whatever product that they're trying to sell. And I think this happens a lot with tequilas. Mm-hmm. And celebrities, they're not experts in alcohol typically. And Ryan Reynolds himself has claimed if he was running this operation, it would probably burn to the ground. There's professionals doing this. Right. And with all these celebrity-owned liquors, these celebrities are not involved really in the operation, distribution. They are there for the marketing.
Yeah.
And
the paycheck.
Yeah, and the paycheck. Yeah, maybe they came and tasted some and picked what barrel that they want and put kind of a little bit of their name on it. But overall, it has not too much to do with the celebrity. So just be careful when you're shopping and you see a celebrity branded liquor or anything for that matter. Just know it's going to be higher in price because of the celebrity branding, and it's not necessarily any better quality than the professionals making other products that don't have a celebrity brand attached.
Yeah, so if any celebrities are watching this, maybe don't try and develop the liquor on your own. Maybe go to somewhere that's more established and get in with them that way.
Yeah, or talk to someone who knows what they're doing in the industry first.
Yeah.
And, getting their advice. I think Ryan Reynolds, he did a good job.
Yeah.
He found a product that he likes and was like, I want to get in on that. And so he did. Rather than, I think, how it goes with most other celebrities in there. At least what we've experienced so far, we are still trying other celebrity beverages. And so if you're interested to see how those turn out, definitely subscribe to the channel and click that little bell so you're notified when all of our future videos come out. And if you like this kind of stuff and you want to see more, definitely give us a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm and all that.
Yeah, also let us know which other celebrity alcohol brands you'd like us to try.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So find us online. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. So until next time, bottoms up.